offset distribution because it took place in a key level. And then all of these ones, all the subsequent ones, is just redistribution, redistribution. You'll see it on the 4-hour pretty nicely now. Um, like this, it's already in a higher time frame expansion phase, right? So this is just a redistribution of the higher time frame fractal, but if you narrow it down and you fractalize it, it could still be an offset distribution in this very leg. So I don't want to confuse you guys, but yeah, I'm not even going to mention it because it's just going to confuse you guys. But this essentially could be the offset distribution on the 4-hour chart. On the daily, this will simply be a redistribution, not an offset distribution. But that comes down to experience and already understanding that the market is already in a higher time frame. So this is just redistributions on offset and redistributions. And then if you go to the actual 4-hour chart and you narrow it down on the current price action, then this becomes a redistribution. But essentially, take a look at this. All of these levels is accumulation, accumulation, right? This is distribution phases. And you would see this as redistribution, redistribution towards terminus. So it's not a complicated it's not a complicated topic at all. Just have to spend 15 or 20 minutes on it, and you'll be able to see exactly what it is. And similar to this one, this could simply just be a redistribution once again. Okay, so I hope it helps, gents. I love the understanding, the validation of the breakers and reversal candles that makes failed favorable gap if that's possible as the last liquidity sweep before reversing and a change in state of delivery. Yes, yes, yes. So essentially all the pairing took place here. This was the buy side liquidity that was raided. Therefore, this becomes offset, and then all the rest is redistributions into terminus. Okay, so terminus would essentially be here, and this is terminus, or the pairing below these original consolidation lows. Okay, so that is absolutely perfect. You've got it spot on, Eric. Welcome to everybody else. Welcome, Provin. It's nice to see you again. Yeah, you've been here many, many, many moons ago. It's nice to see you here, buddy. Welcome back, Victor. Welcome, Sean. Hope you guys enjoyed the session today. So, yeah, let's take a quick look at how US 2000 is delivering. I really like this. I think this could be a potential draw for the day, gents, and then we'll still be patient with gold and silver. Maybe let's take a look at the weekly candle, right? Take a quick look at this. Let me just hide everything else. Do you guys see this small candle, right? It's a small weekly candle. This is just reaccumulation. It's an inside bar where the market failed to attack the previous week high or previous week low. So this really doesn't confirm any displacement to me. Okay, there's no true direction. We may simply be reaccumulating in this inefficiency. And for that reason, I just have to be patient. I I kind of have the idea that on the 4-hour chart we have that extended accumulation now, which formed the equalize. So if the market purged that and then started distribution, now I can confidently say this weekly candle is drawing towards previous week low into these lows. All right. So I hope it makes sense. Similar for the silver chart, right? The silver pair, as we can see, previous week high is open, previous week low was never order paired. We are still accumulating around this level. So for that reason, there's no rush here. Okay, this could very well close like this, and then next week trade higher into the CSD, right? And then we get high of the week next week and a potential sell-off towards this, especially on the daily time frame and even the 4-hour, 1-hour time frames. That would align pretty well. So this is how I also gauge how and when to execute and when to be patient. The market will literally show you it's not ready to move just yet. However, I'll be very